Imagine this. It's the year 2035. You're on your way to work when suddenly every traffic light turns green. For everyone. Chaos unfolds. Cars crash. Panic spreads. But it doesn't stop there. AI-driven robots stop delivering food and start hoarding it. The system we built to make life easier turns against us. It sounds like a sci-fi thriller, doesn't it? But it's not just fiction. It's a warning. A glimpse of what could happen if we don't prioritize ethical AI. Hey, I'm here to talk about something that's both incredibly exciting and terrifying. Artificial intelligence. But don't worry, this isn't a boring lecture. Today we're diving into what ethical AI means, why it matters, and how it's shaping our future. Oh, and I promise, there'll be some laughs along the way. So, AI. What even is it? It's not some magical robot overlord. It's basically super smart computer systems. Think Siri, Alexa, or even Netflix suggesting your next binge-worthy show. AI is all around us. And let's be honest, we kind of love it when Netflix gets us. Like, yes, Netflix, I do want to rewatch The Office for the 27th time. But here's the thing, AI isn't inherently good or bad. It's just a tool. What makes it good or bad is us, humans, the ones programming it. Now let's talk about when AI messes up. And boy, does it mess up. Like the time a major company's AI recruiting tool was biased against women, or when a chatbot learned, let's just say, some very colorful language. It's like teaching a kid. You want them to learn good values, but if you're careless, they'll pick up on everything, even the bad stuff. That's why ethical AI is so important. Because when AI goes wrong, the consequences aren't just embarrassing, they're dangerous. But AI isn't all doom and gloom. Far from it. Imagine an AI that helps doctors diagnose diseases faster, saving lives. Or an AI-powered robot that helps grandma get around the house safely. These aren't just stories, they're happening right now. There's this amazing story about an AI system in a hospital that spotted a rare disease in a baby that even the best doctors missed. How cool is that? And grandma's robot, it even cracks jokes to keep her company. Honestly, I want one of those for myself. So what's the catch? Why isn't all AI ethical by default? The truth is, creating ethical AI is hard. It's like baking a cake where every ingredient matters. If your data is biased or incomplete, the AI you build will reflect that. And let's not forget the human element. Some companies prioritize profit over people. Shocker, right? But when AI systems prioritize profits, they can harm vulnerable communities. Now imagine a world where ethical AI is the norm. AI that respects privacy, promotes fairness, and uplifts humanity. Think sustainable cities, personalized education for every child, and even AI that helps tackle climate change. But this future isn't guaranteed. It's up to us to demand it, because the choices we make today shape the world we live in tomorrow. Creating ethical AI isn't just about coding. It's about teamwork. Scientists, ethicists, policymakers, everyone has to be at the table. Imagine trying to build a house with only plumbers. Sure, your pipes will be great, but the roof might cave in. That's why we need diverse perspectives. Because ethical AI isn't just about technology, it's about humanity. Governments play a huge role in ethical AI. They set the rules of the game. But here's the thing. Technology evolves fast, like faster than your Wi-Fi fast. And governments? Let's just say they're more dial-up speed. That's why we need proactive policies, not reactive ones. Because once Pandora's box is open, it's really hard to close. And let's not forget the big tech players. These companies hold immense power. But with great power comes, yeah, you know the line. The question is, are they using that power responsibly? Some are leading the way with transparency and ethics. Others, not so much. It's up to us, as consumers, to hold them accountable. One of the most important steps is education. If people don't understand AI, they can't demand better. That's why teaching AI literacy is crucial. Imagine trying to fix a car without knowing what a wrench is. Exactly. Now let's look at some amazing examples of AI for good. From predicting natural disasters to fighting deforestation, ethical AI is already changing lives. These stories give us hope. But we can't ignore the dark side. AI is also being used for mass surveillance and spreading misinformation. It's like a double-edged sword. The key is learning how to wield it responsibly. AI isn't just a tech issue, it's a community issue. When people come together to discuss ethics, incredible things happen. Never underestimate the power of a town hall meeting. Ethical AI isn't one size fits all. What works in one country might not work in another. That's why a global perspective is essential. From diagnosing diseases to improving mental health, ethical AI is revolutionizing healthcare. These are the stories that remind us why ethics matter. I hope you like this video. Now don't forget to subscribe this channel.